Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy Winter Frost Fashionwave item from other players in Heartopia. In this Winter Frost event, you can get special Winter Fashions items, but some Fashionwave items can only bought from friends or other players, not from NPC. So here's how to buy them. Just tap on this snowman icon and then just tap on Fashionwave store and then just tap on DG member friends purchase. And then next just select the item that you want to buy, and for example like this at the bottom you will see other players profiles selling this item, and then just tap on one of them and then just track their locations and then just go directly to them. And when you meet the player, just tap on the card icon above their character and then just tap on the card icon again and select the item that you want to buy, and then just tap on buy and wait for the player to notice and accept the transactions like this. And then after the transactions is complete, don't forget to give them food with 30 energy because the seller will lose 30 energy after the trade. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.